Hello everyone, welcome to React Learning course. In the last video we learned about props. Props is a simple object giving access us to all attributes of our components from outside. But sometimes you don't want to get something from outside. You want to have it inside a component and change it inside too. And this time you need to use state object. State is a React built-in object used to store all information of components. So in this video I will show to you how you can create state object and how we will use state in class component. You can use and you can find state object in this time in class component, in which components we have extends component keywords. Also we can use state object in functional components. We will learn about functional component in the next videos. So let's start in this video. Just we want to learn in class component using state object. Here in class body, write state equal to curly braces, and here's select your object's name and colon. After this I want to use in property array, JavaScript array, and here I want to use also property and value. Name equal to Hafiz, comma, age equal to 22, like this. And sorry, this is not equal sign, this is colon, because we use object. And twice this, change name to Ali, and Akbar, change this to 24, 29. Now move to render method and render this component myAv, because we will render this method and we will use instead of props state object. I want to use myAv like this. And now pass this data here. I want to select name equal to curly braces. Inside of this use this keyword, because we using class component. This dot state dot person object name, and here square brackets for using to select index of this array, because we have array. I want to select index 0. The first line I want to get this name and this age, and after this just dot name like this. After this I want to select age, property and value for this will be this dot state dot person, also index will be 0 dot age, like this. And now twice this line and change just index number. I want to change this all to 2 and 2. Now we want to pass to this component this data. Okay, from class component we want to pass data from class component to functional component, and we using state object. So now save this file and also save this file. Okay, we rendered this using props component in app.js and current components. So now move to browser. Okay, here we have my name is Hafiz and I am 22 years old. Also we have output from another component, and also we have output from another component. We use this one component 3 times, and we have 3 output from one component in different style. So by this way we can use state object in class component. In the next video we will use state method. Use state method we using for to change this state objects. Without use state method we cannot change data or information of this object. Thank you for watching.